rectify ourselves, all the forests worldwide will show this behavior. Now, Australia faced a lot of criticism for continued fossil fuel reliance. And on the other hand, the new warming reports that were published by UN showed that there is no respite from climate risk, right? And these findings by, I think, from the Western Sydney University researchers, a group of researchers from Western Sydney University, they have found that, okay, for the first time, they have found that they had made a history. That means the rainforest of Australia, specifically in the Queensland region, has made a history that now they are acting as carbon source rather than carbon sinks, right? So these findings now raise a major challenge for climate mitigation strategies dependent on ecosystem carbon storage. Like, what do you mean by ecosystem carbon storage? Ecosystem carbon storage is nothing but this rainforest which absorbs carbon, they store carbon to make food. So they act as a carbon storage, right? So most of our mitigation strategies is planned on the role of ecosystem carbon storage. If now these very ecosystem act as a carbon source rather than carbon sink or carbon storage, then what will